I bet you want to become an expert in commercial real estate. Do you know how I became an expert in commercial real estate? Not only did I study it and practice it, I risked my own money, did my own deals, and grew them into millions and millions of dollars. And I learned how to compress the time to produce the results with much more accuracy and no downside. I teach this in classrooms, and my students, investors, go out there and achieve the same results, if not even more. What I have done is an interactive format where by type of property, we found, analyzed, controlled, timed, and strategized the type of properties and mastered with hours of training how anybody can do it. I am bringing this format to you at home. You can see it, you can repeat it, you can master it. You will go directly to the websites. You will never need another training ever in your life. All you got to do is apply what you learned. We had 50 students closed in a room, brainstorming, researching, and analyzing and describing what they found. I bring to your home 3,000 hours of brainstorming from some of the best minds in the business. So you at home can take any specific type of property, focus on it, and become an expert. You know what an expert is? An expert is somebody that spent at least 10,000 hours doing something to master it. Well, how about benefiting from thousands and thousands of hours that somebody else have spent bringing you the most important, powerful information you can make money with? At the end of that training, you will become a semi-expert. Once you go and apply out there, you'll become a full expert. And you will be able not only to have a better judgment, better skills, you will be able to help others and grow your business. Whether you're a broker or an investor, expert, or a novice investor, you will take your game to a whole other level. I look forward to hearing from you and the results you will achieve. Thank you.